Have you ever walked away from your computer and worried someone might press something they shouldn't? Or maybe you've got curious kids or pets who just love tapping away at your keys. Well, learning how to lock your keyboard is a simple but powerful way to protect your work and keep your PC safe. And of course, knowing how to unlock it is just as important, so you're not stuck staring at your screen in frustration. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock and unlock your keyboard with just a press of a button. To lock your keyboard, press and hold the Shift button for about 10 seconds. And you will be asked to confirm the action. Select Yes. Your keyboard is now locked. None of the keys will function as it is locked. To unlock, press and hold the Shift button again for about 10 seconds. Once you hear a beep, then your keyboard is unlocked. And can now type something. With this, you can lock and unlock your keyboard anytime. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more.